Top 5 Best Sewing Machines for Beginners in 2020. Number 5. Brother SE600. If you are looking for the best sewing machine for a seamstress, congrats because you have finally found it, Brother SE600. I am talking about a computerized sewing and embroidery machine that come with 103 built-in stitches, an automatic needle threader, a 710 SPM rate and color touch screen impressive. No matter if you are buying your first sewing machine or searching for an upgrade, you cannot go wrong the SE600. It comes with lots of accessories including a few feet, embroidery arm and foot, blind stitch foot, monogramming foot, 4x4 inches embroidery hoop, a cleaning brush, dust cover, and much more. Pros: easy setup and easy to use. Versatile, compact, and portable. Cons: possible bobbin and touch screen issues. Users complained about breaking needles. Coming in number 4. Singer Heavy Duty 4411. Are you searching for a long-term sewing investment that requires low maintenance? If yes, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 sewing machine model may be the right choice for you. It is one of the best sewing machines for beginners 2020. It was the best sewing machine for beginners 2017 and 2018 as well. And just like any other product, it has its flaws. It is not the best heavy-duty sewing machine for beginners. And it has no automatic needle threader. It has 11 built-in stitches and one automatic 4-step buttonhole and sews up to 1100 stitches per minute. And it comes with different accessories including 4 presser feet, screwdriver, instruction manual, power cord, foot control, soft-sided cover, and much more you can find useful as a beginner. Pros: heavy duty and affordable. Super fast and reliable sewing quality. Quiet operation. Lightweight and portable. Adjustable stitch length and width. Cons: no automatic needle threader. Intended for simple projects. Coming in number 3. Brother XM 2701. Are you an enthusiastic beginner who's willing to learn how to sew fast? If yes, I have the perfect sewing machine for you. It is the Brother XM 2701, one of the best sewing machines for beginners right now. Brother XM 2701 sewing machine is extremely easy to use and has great potential to improve your sewing skills or help you acquire them. I am talking about a lightweight and portable sewing machine that will boost your creativity and awaken your interest in this amazing craft. Experienced sewers who travel often can find this model Brother XM 2701 sewing machine very useful. Brother XM 2701 sewing machine has 27 built-in stitches and sews up to 800 stitches per minute. You will get this baby with 3-piece needle set, screwdriver, 6 quick change sewing feet, extra spool pin, instructional DVD, and much more. Pros: the best model for basic and smaller projects. Lightweight, portable and cheap sewing machine. Cons: no medium sewing speed. Not the best LED lighting. Possible issues with bobbins. Coming in number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. My mother works off of a Singer machine from their heavy-duty line. She always mentions how, no matter if it is leather, 10 layers of curtains, or silk, that this machine gets the job done. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 features 23 built-in stitches, a fully automatic 1-step buttonhole, 25 years of warranty, top-drop automatic needle threader, bobbin with clear cover, and snap-on presser feet. If you are looking for speed, this machine has the capability of crafting 1100 stitches per minute. Its presser foot comes with 4 different presser feet boasting varying functionality. The all-purpose foot, which is ideal for a majority of sewing tasks. The buttonhole foot is appropriate for adding ribbon slots, buttonholes and many more. The zipper foot is also included and lets you add zippers, cord, pipe etc. The button sewing foot is purposely for adding buttons. The automated needle threading enables you to accurately and easily follow a printed path on the sewing machine. As a result, you neither undergo an eye strain nor frustration as you thread the needle's eye. The speedy feature of the Singer 4423, operating at 1100 stitches each minute, makes your sewing very quick. Its speed is complemented by a 60% advantaged motor strength which sees finer piercing ability and power for the thick seams. I found this to be a simple machine with few functions, but it does provide a reliable stitch for a low price. It is built to last and provide durability, with lots of accessories at your disposal. The durability is engineered by its heavy-duty metallic frame. The frame also stands in for the stability of the machine. First off, this Singer sewing machine has no frills. No embroidery, no tricky computer stuff. It does do everything a practical sewer needs, and it does it well. Operating at 110 volts in US and Canada. I love that this machine has stainless steel, plated parts. It feels like a solid product. Like my mom, I have sewn thick, rugged, and delicate materials: denim, vinyl, satin, lycra, and the 4423 handles them all beautifully. In addition, you can do crafts, interior decor, fashions and more. Because the machine works so fast, it took me some time to get a hang of the very sensitive foot pedal. Of course, high speeds mean a more powerful motor. I have a new baby in the house who needs his sleep, so I would much rather work off of a quieter machine. This one is a bit loud for my current lifestyle. Nevertheless, Singer 4423 is described as a true workhorse with 15.5 by 6.2 by 12 inches in dimensions. This is because of its heavy-duty metal frame on the interior, superlative speed, stainless steel bed plate, highly powered motor, and its ability to sew very heavy fabrics. In order to sew various fabrics, you adjust the pressure of the presser foot. After some use I did run into a few mechanical problems that required repair. Presser foot misalignment, bobbin issues, timing belt, and gears may need service sooner than later. Pros: practical. Stainless steel parts. Good with multiple fabrics. Multipurpose. Heavy-duty sewing machine. Cons: too fast. Noisy. You may experience string tangles. Mechanical problems. Coming in number 1. Singer Stylist 7258. I bought the Singer Stylist 7258 for my niece Maya, because I had heard it was considered as the best learning tool. After a few practice runs, she was sewing her own cosplay costumes in no time. It offers many lovely built-in stitch and presser feet options for fashion sewing, crafts, or home and decorative projects. It features up to 100 varying sticks, sewing 750 each minute. From 9 basic, 8 stretches, 76 decorative and 7 completely automated buttonholes. It has a 25-year limited warranty operating at 110 volts only. Its 750 stitches per minute quickens the sewing process, thus saving time. Well, if you are not after speed, you have an option to control your speed using the speed control lever. It lets you set a maximum and minimum speed depending on your preference. I know you would wonder how to use the numerous stitches. The Singer 7258 is fitted with a push button that acts as a stitch selector. You can easily make a selection of your desired stitch. It is only a push button away. The optimum settings that determine the tension, length, and width are automatically set. They are preferably customized. Besides, the width and length of the stitches are adjustable. It includes automatic features like a self-threading needle option and LCD screen that illustrates different sewing patterns. A helpful see-through bobbin allows users to keep tabs on their thread quantity. Forget about overfilled bobbins, as the Singer 7258 has an automatic bobbin winding clutch. The bobbin winder stops its movement automatically once the bobbin is fully filled. Its automated threader is user-friendly. You may thread the whole machine right from its spool right to the needle's eye in a very short time. Surprisingly, the needle's eye is threaded for you by the inbuilt needle threader in 6 seconds. This curbs eye strain and frustration. It has a twin needle capability. The Singer Stylist 7258 features mentioned above, coupled with optional footer, start-stop button, and electronic autopilot, will make any novice eager to stick on. For those who have never set up a sewing machine before, take my word. This is really easy to get sewing on. When I opened the box, I was surprised to find that the machine included a DVD called Ready, Set, Sew. This video does a great job at guiding new users through the ins and outs of the machine in a friendly, step-by-step manner. The optional foot features 3 different options. An all-purpose foot on the machine, zipper foot, and the buttonhole foot. They respectively specialize in most of the sewing tasks, add zippers, do cording, pipping etc., and add buttonholes, ribbon slots etc. Despite the sturdy metal frame, often found on more expensive sewing machine models, I had a real issue with the Singer Stylist 7258 wobbling when I put it to higher speeds. This may be because it does not include an oversized sewing machine table, so the frame itself is not bottom heavy. It has a size measuring 14.5 by 7.5 by 12 inches. Pros: multifunctional, motivational, easy setup. It has an onboard storage. Cons: pricey, performs poorly at high speeds, small sewing table.